Owning a home is a dream come true. It's a place to raise a family, to spend time together, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. In Missouri, we understand the value of hard work and the pride of homeownership. But owning a home also comes with responsibilities. One of the most important is protecting your investment with homeowners insurance. Your home is more than just bricks and mortar, it's your sanctuary. It's where you feel safe and secure. Homeowners insurance provides that extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind knowing you're covered in case the unexpected happens. Whether it's a natural disaster, an accident, or something else, having the right insurance can make all the difference. Think of homeowners insurance as a safety net. It's there to catch you if you fall. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. But with homeowners insurance, you can face those challenges knowing you have a financial safety net to help you rebuild and recover. Choosing the right homeowners insurance can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. By understanding your needs and doing your research, you can find a policy that fits your budget and gives you the protection you deserve. Your home is your haven, and protecting it is one of the wisest decisions you can make. Missouri's weather can be unpredictable. From tornadoes and storms to ice storms and floods, our state has seen it all. These natural disasters can cause significant damage to homes, leaving homeowners with costly repairs. Homeowners insurance helps cover these expenses, ensuring that you can rebuild your life after a disaster. But it's not just Mother Nature we have to worry about. Accidents happen even in the safety of our homes. Liability protection, a key component of homeowners insurance, safeguards you if someone gets injured on your property. Imagine this: a neighbor's child falls and breaks their arm while playing in your yard. Without liability insurance, you could be held responsible for their medical bills and other expenses. Homeowners insurance provides that crucial liability coverage, protecting you from potential financial hardship. And let's not forget about theft and vandalism. Unfortunately, these are realities we face as homeowners. Homeowners insurance can help you recover financially if your belongings are stolen or your property is vandalized. It provides reimbursement for stolen items and covers the cost of repairs, giving you peace of mind knowing you're protected. Protecting your home from these risks is essential. Homeowners insurance acts as a shield, safeguarding you and your loved ones from the financial burden these events can bring. It's about having peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. All right, so let's talk about why getting multiple quotes is your best bet. You see, not all insurance policies are created equal. By comparing different quotes, you can find the best coverage at the most competitive price. It's like shopping around for the best deal. You wouldn't buy the first car you see, right? The same principle applies here. Plus, it gives you a better understanding of what's available in the market, helping you make a more informed choice. Now, when it comes to choosing the right insurance partner, it's crucial to look beyond just the price. You want a company that has a solid reputation for customer service and claims handling. After all, the true test of an insurance company is how they treat you when you need them the most. Check out reviews, ask for recommendations, and do your homework. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. Finally, making an informed decision is key to having peace of mind. Take your time to understand the terms and conditions of the policy, and don't hesitate to ask questions. It's your right to know exactly what you're getting into. Once you've done your due diligence, you'll feel more confident in your choice, knowing that you, your family, and your dream home are well protected. And that, my friends, is priceless. Selecting an insurance provider is just one of the steps in the home buying process. We know that buying or selling a home can be stressful, and that's why we're here to help every step of the way. If you have any questions about buying or selling a home, reach out to your local real estate professional, Aaron Boone, today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on home buying and selling. And remember, there's only one thing you need to know when it comes to buying or selling a home. AaronBsells.com.